Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now we're ready to cook everything to perfection and add that fruity twist that makes this version extra special. Let's continue. Serving suggestions. Completing the meal. Adobo with pineapple shines when paired with simple sides. Here's how to round out the plate. Steamed white rice. The perfect base to soak up the flavorful sauce. Sliced scallions or cilantro. A fresh garnish cuts through the richness. Pickled vegetables. Achara, Filipino pickled papaya, adds crunch and tang. Serve it family style in a deep dish so everyone can scoop up extra sauce. Leftovers taste even better the next day, if there are any. Health benefits of adobo with pineapple. Adobo with pineapple isn't just a flavor upgrade, it's packed with nutrients that make the dish even better for you. The combination of protein-rich meat and vitamin-loaded pineapple creates a meal that satisfies hunger while boosting health. Let's break down what each key ingredient brings to the table. Nutritional power of pineapple. Pineapple does more than add sweetness. It's a nutrient-packed fruit with surprising benefits. Vitamin C, one serving provides nearly a day's worth, supporting immunity and skin health. Digestive enzymes. Bromelain in pineapple helps break down proteins, aiding digestion. Antioxidants. Fights inflammation and supports overall cell health. Manganese. Essential for bone strength and metabolism. When cooked into adobo, pineapple's natural sugars caramelize slightly, adding depth without refined sweeteners. Protein and minerals in the meat. Whether you use pork or chicken, the meat in adobo delivers key nutrients. High-quality protein. Keeps muscles strong and repairs tissues. Iron, especially in pork. Boosts energy by helping red blood cells carry oxygen. Zinc. Supports immune function and wound healing. B vitamins. Vital for energy levels and brain health. Slow cooking the meat in the adobo sauce makes these nutrients easier to absorb. Garlic and vinegar. Small ingredients, big benefits. Even the supporting players add health perks. Garlic. Known for its heart protective properties and immune boosting effects. Vinegar. May help regulate blood sugar and improve digestion. Bay leaves. Contain compounds that may reduce inflammation. Together, these ingredients create a dish that's as nourishing as it is delicious. The next time you eat adobo with pineapple, remember, it's not just comfort food, it's a smart choice. Keep in mind, using leaner cuts of meat, like chicken breast, or trimming excess fat can make the dish even healthier without losing flavor. Variations and tips for customization. Adobo with pineapple is flexible. Play with textures, spices, and even the type of meat to make it your own. Whether you prefer smoky depth, extra heat, or tropical flair, small tweaks can take this dish in exciting new directions. Swapping meats for different flavors. Pork and chicken are classics, but why stop there? Beef short ribs. Slow cook them for a richer, deeper adobo with fall-off-the-bone tenderness. Duck legs. Their natural fattiness pairs well with pineapple's brightness. Tofu or mushrooms. For a vegetarian twist, use firm tofu or king oyster mushrooms. They'll soak up the sauce just like meat. If using seafood, add pineapple at the last minute. Shrimp or scallops cook fast and won't need tenderizing. Adjusting the pineapple factor. Fresh, grilled, or canned pineapple each brings something different. Fresh pineapple. For the brightest, tangiest punch. Sear chunks in the pan before adding to the adobo for extra caramelization. Grilled pineapple. Adds a smoky sweetness. Throw slices on the grill for a few minutes before dicing them into the dish. Canned pineapple. Easier and still tasty, but drain well to avoid excess syrup. For a smoother sauce, blend half the pineapple into the marinade before cooking. Spicing it up. Adobo's simple base welcomes bold spices. Chili flakes or sliced bird's eye chilies. For those who like heat. Star anise or cinnamon. Adds warmth without overpowering the pineapple. Lemongrass. A fresh, citrusy kick that plays well with tropical flavors. Don't forget aromatics, ginger or shallots can add another layer of complexity. Sauce tweaks for balance. Too sweet? Too salty? Fix it in seconds. For extra tang, a splash of calamansi juice or extra vinegar brightens the dish. For richness, a spoonful of coconut milk mellows the acidity. For depth, a dash of fish sauce amps up the umami. The best part? You can taste and adjust as you go. Trust your palate, it knows what works. Leftover magic. Adobo improves overnight, but leftovers deserve creativity. Adobo fried rice. Sauté cold adobo with day-old rice, peas, and eggs. Top with fresh pineapple chunks. Tacos. Shred the meat, pile it into tortillas with pineapple salsa and pickled onions. Pizza topping. Use adobo as a bold base sauce, then add cheese, pineapple, and jalapenos. The more you experiment, the more you'll love this dish's versatility. What's your favorite twist? Stay tuned for pairing suggestions in the next section. This adobo plays well with others. Adobo with pineapple proves that tradition and innovation can go hand in hand. The sweet tangy fruit lifts the dish beyond its classic savory roots, adding brightness and complexity without losing what makes adobo special. Every bite balances comfort and surprise, tender meat, rich sauce, and juicy pineapple, creating something truly memorable. Give this recipe a try. Whether you stick to the basics or add your own twist, it's a dish that welcomes creativity. Share your version in the comments or tag your creation online. Let's see how you make it your own. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.